Kia ora, tēnā koutou, my level 1 class. So, what I'm about to show you is the level 1 Waihanga final draft template. So, what you need to do, whānau, is first of all, I will attach this to our Google Classroom page. What you need to do is, once you receive this attachment, you will have to fill in your name. So for example, Omari, and then this is our task 1. Our kaupapa is tōku kāinga, and then pato here, tō whakautu ki raro nei, this means type your answer below, and I want you to type it in this box. So please, whatever you do not change the font or anything, because I have it set up so it's easy for myself and for you guys to read. So this is the template, this is where you'll type all your mahi. The next thing, if you go down to the bottom of the page, there's your task 1 feedback. So in here, I will give you feedback on the criteria, and this is what you're going to be marked on, whānau, all of these things. So you need to make sure that you're following the criteria. The next thing down here, I will give comments on suggestions that can improve your waihanga. Okay, moving on. Below there will be a task 2 as well, but you don't have to worry about this till next term. So at this stage, you will be writing your answers. You'll be writing your final draft here. If there's any questions that you have, please feel free to email me. Ngā mihi.